Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how I got all of these items not only for free but made almost $4 buying it all. But before I get into the haul, I'm going to cut to a clip that I pre-recorded and I've been excited to share with you guys. Before I get into the deals for today, I want to share with you something I am really happy about, but also something that I think you might be interested in. So for the last 3 years, my office has been the corner of my kitchen island. Like I literally sit at the corner of my island on a backless stool. Clearly not ideal. But since it appears I'm going to be working from home for the foreseeable future, I wanted something a little more comfortable that matched how I like to work. So I ordered a few items from a company called FlexiSpot, and I strategically waited until now to share this with you because they have a huge sale going on right now. Come upstairs with me and let me show you what I got. Ta-da! Welcome to my new office. And yes, I'm ridiculously excited because I've never had a real home office where I got to pick stuff out for it before. Now, there's a number of options on the FlexiSpot website. I'm going to walk you through the items that I got, and of course I will link them for you down below. But I got their standard standing desk because you can sit or stand at it. I'm going to show you how that works here in a second. I got the bamboo monitor stand and then the Pro Mesh chair, and I love this chair. You can adjust it in all sorts of ways. The armrest adjusts multiple ways. You've got lumbar support. You can change where the headrest is depending on your height, but it also leans back, but it doesn't get hot because it's this mesh fabric. Now, the monitor stand, as you can see, I don't have my monitor set up quite yet. What I like about it is it has cushioned feet. That way it doesn't scratch the desk underneath it. But the desk, bamboo top is what I picked because it's super sturdy, it's water resistant, and y'all know I'm always gonna have a coffee cup somewhere on my desk. But the best part is it is adjustable height. So whether you want to sit and then adjust it from the seated position, you can move it up and down to get it into the right place for how you wanna work. Or if you want to stand up, you can also adjust it to where you can stand and work, which I am loving. And the desk I got has 4 different presets that I can do. All right, so now for the fun part, let me show you how it raises. Again, you can use either the arrows or I have it preset. So I'm just going to stick it on the preset. It just raises nice and easy. A couple other things when I'm making a purchase that I'm going to keep for a really long time, I'm looking for 2 different things, reviews and warranties. And this company had both of them. When I was on their website, they have tons of great reviews, but they also warranty their products and they have return policies. So again, I will link everything for you down below, but let me know what you think of my new office. Let's jump straight into the Walmart deals. Normally I do Walmart and Target together, but Walmart was so amazing this week that I'm just gonna talk about Walmart deals. Again, everything for free and I made money buying it all. Let's start with food deals. Check your Ibotta for this AVRALF protein shake. They are $3.78, which is crazy for one of them, $3.78. But on Ibotta, I had a 50% back offer, which gave $3.92 back. But my Fetch Rewards app also had $1.20 back. It made this little guy free and $1.34 moneymaker. Now, the offers can vary, so just make sure you check your app prior to going to the store and doing any of the deals. Now, lots of clearance at Walmart. The baby section, lots of clearance. The tea aisle, as well as breakfast bars and cereal. So I'll include clearance pictures at the end of the video, but let me show you a couple deals that I did that had an Ibotta rebate with it. These Tetley teas were on clearance for 85 cents. My store had tons of them, and you get $1 back on Ibotta. That makes them a 15-cent moneymaker each, and it was a limit of 5. So you could snag 5 of them, making 15 cents per pack. I don't drink tea, so I'll be donating those to the food bank, as well as my mom said she wanted a couple, so I'll give her a few of them as well. The baby clearance like all of this formula, expensive formula, marked down at my store to just $5. So I hope that people who need these items see this clearance. I picked up one of the Similacs because not only was it marked down to $5 from $33, there was a $7 rebate on Ibotta. So I actually made $2 buying this. And of course I will donate this to some kind of shelter or baby diaper bank, or whoever needs it is where I'm going to be donating to. I just need to do a little research on that because I have some Infamil that I need to donate as well. Let's keep with the food. The Sargento Creamery cheese. This is $3.18. I have $1 rebate on Ibotta. Now, there is $1.20 rebate on Fetch for when you purchase the Sargento and the Hellmann's together. And earlier in the week, I purchased the big thing of Hellmann's because it was an Ibotta rebate. There was a Shopkick rebate and a Fetch Rewards rebate. So I had already purchased the Hellmann's mayonnaise. And when I picked this up, I got that $1.20 back on Fetch Rewards for completing the deal, making this just 98 cents for a bag of the Sargento cheese. And you know my son loves grilled cheese sandwiches. The yogurt is still a deal. I talked about this last week. The Two Good yogurts, the single ones are $1.28, getting back 75 cents on Ibotta, making it 53 cents. A little bit better deal is if you buy the 4-pack, they are $4.63, getting back $2.60 on Ibotta, so it makes it $2.03 for the 4-pack. Now, if you have not redeemed the rebate on coupons.com, check there as well because they had rebates there. Now, let's just address that really quick. Ibotta now has on a number of their offers for Walmart, can't combine with coupons. So if I see that in Ibotta, and I do check every single deal, if I see a rebate that says can't combine with coupons for items at Walmart, I don't. I've told y'all before, I follow the rules. So you won't see me telling you to combine coupons with rebates when it says you can't do that. I like to follow the rules, and I'm certainly not going to teach other people to combine it when I don't feel like that's what I should be doing. If that's what you want to do, no judgment, you do you. I'm telling you how I'm going to handle it for myself. The Knorr sides, speaking of, there's a coupons.com rebate for this one, but on Ibotta, there is an offer for $2 back when you buy 4, can't combine with other coupons. So I picked up 4 of these at $1.26, got back that $2 on Ibotta, making it $3.04 for all 4 of them, or just 76 cents each. Of course, submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards because the Knorr brand is one of their brands that gives points back every time as well. More food. Let's talk about the Sir Kensingtons. One, if you've used this and it's any good, let me know, and let me know what you used it on because I have a couple now. I was just planning to donate them to the food bank because I don't know what I would use them for. But they are $4.46 at my Walmart. I had a $3 rebate on Ibotta. I got a 50-cent bonus because now I've purchased it a couple of times. I also got $2.46 back on Shopkick, making it free and $1.50 moneymaker. Tons of great offers on Shopkick lately and on food, which you guys know I love a good food deal. If you don't have Shopkick yet, get the app. It's free. Use the code SWC5 to score an additional $5 when you submit that first receipt. If you want a full tutorial on how it works, I do have one of those. I will link it at the end of this video. Another Shopkick offer is on the Hellmann's. They have a number of different Hellmann's offers on the Shopkick app. This garlic aioli is $3.48. There's a $1.25 rebate on Ibotta, $1.50 on Fetch Rewards, and $2.46 back on Shopkick, making it free and $1.73 moneymaker. The other Shopkick offer I did was on these Pure Lifes. They have an offer for the big water bottles as well as for these small ones. I have plenty of the big water bottles right now, so I snagged the small water bottle offer. This pack is $2.62 regular price. Shopkick is offering $1.64 back, making it just 98 cents for that pack of water. More Shopkick deals. This offer increased yesterday for me. It's the Suave Lush and Coily. These are $4.98. Both of these products, the shampoo and the leave-in conditioner, are $4.98. My Shopkick offer increased to $5 back on each of these, making them both free. For some reason, the conditioner offer was not quite $5. It was like $4.60 back. So for some reason, you can get the leave-in and the shampoo for free, but you're going to have to pay a little bit for your conditioner. So check your Shopkick. The offers can change quickly, so just make sure you check right before you purchase and submit your receipt immediately. And sometimes the offers can vary by person. The U by Kotex. So this is an Ibotta offer that did not say you couldn't combine with coupons, so I did. These, the 40-pack liners are $2.97. There is a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, $2 back on coupons.com, making it free and a 53-cent moneymaker. All right, so what am I missing here? Oh, the Curad. The Curad's another Shopkick offer. It's been around for a while, but that's still going. Free and a little bit of a moneymaker. This is $1.97 found over in the sporting goods section at my store. Getting back $2.26 on Shopkick, making it free and a 29-cent moneymaker. So great deal for that. Now, I also hit my midweek moneymaker bonus on Ibotta, giving me $3 back. So when I combine all of that together, that makes everything free and a $3.62 moneymaker, including cheese and yogurt, which my family would need anyway. So super happy about this haul. I know there are other like free after rebate offers for the core bars. My store just still does not carry them. So check your Ibotta app for a freebie on core, the different like multi-packs of core bars. And I know by the time I get this video posted, there are going to be other freebies on Ibotta. So just always check in your Ibotta app to see which freebies you have. If you're curious, you're new here, you just ended up stopping by and you're like, I have no idea what Ibotta is or what Fetch Rewards is or Shopkick, I do have complete tutorials on all of those apps. So I will include a playlist of all of the tutorials at the end of this video. If you click on it, it will take you to each of those videos. Also, and I haven't mentioned this in forever, but if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, and it ends up being better for all of us in the end. If you want to get notified when I drop a video live, click the little bell and you'll get a notification when I post a video. Hope y'all have a great week. Thanks.